LulzBot 3D printers are renowned for their reliability, ease of use, and broad range of printing capabilities. They come in two sizes, the LulzBot Taz 6 with a build volume of just under 1 cubic foot, and the LulzBot Mini 2 with a build volume of just over 6 by 6 by 7 inches. Both come standard with a 0.5mm nozzle single extruder tool head, which allows out-of-the-box support for over 30 materials while offering a balance between speed and print quality. Purchasing a LulzBot 3D printer is just the beginning. An innovative toolhead system will allow you to modify your printers for a wide variety of applications beyond the stock configuration. When fast 3D prints are your top priority, the HS Plus toolhead delivers with a massive 1.2mm nozzle. Print large objects, rough prototypes, and lower detail production prints over 4 times faster than the standard configuration. With hardened steel components, the HS Plus enables printing of high-strength materials like carbon fiber-filled and glass-reinforced nylons. Like the HS Plus, the HS toolhead also features hardened steel components but uses a smaller 0.8mm nozzle for high-strength 3D printing that balances detail and speed. When your application demands high detail, the SL toolhead delivers using a 0.25mm nozzle to produce layers thinner than human hair. This toolhead is perfect for ultra-fine details, tight tolerances, small objects, and delivering your final designs with a near-flawless finish. For the Taz line, the LulzBot Dual Extruder V3 enables printing of soluble support materials for designs with steep overhangs, large negative spaces, and complex geometries. No post-processing required. Combined, the LulzBot toolhead ecosystem supports more materials and solves a greater range of prototyping and manufacturing challenges than most 3D printers. Visit LulzBot.com for more information on how our pre-configured bundles can fit your application.